Welcome back. Let's start doodling. Today we're going to draw a fish. So grab a pencil and a piece of paper and let's doodle. Okay, starting over here on this side of the paper, we're going to draw a big curved line like this, up and over. Take your time. There's no rush. Remember, you can always pause the video if you need more time. Okay, now back where we started, let's draw another curved line under like this. Down like this, and let it curve under, and we're gonna stop it here like that. Now we're gonna draw the fin here. So it's a kind of a backward C shape. Starting here, curve it back and loop it around like this. Great! Let's finish that body line off like this. And draw the other fin over here, starting here, a little curved line like this that connects to the body. Like that. And some interior lines, one here, and one in the middle of this fin over here. Starting there, and back up. Okay, now let's do the back fins. Up on the top, let's do 3 loopy lines. 1, 2, 3. Ready? Up and around. And then another one starting in the middle. Up and around. And then one more that encloses it. Like this. That looks great. Now let's draw the fish tail. Back around like this. Ready? Let's go. Nice and slow, a big curved line that hooks back around and then down and in and then back out. And then it loops back up and connects to the body. There's the fish tail. And let's draw some lines inside there. One line here. One line here. And then one more on the bottom here like this. There you go. Okay, now to give this fish some eyes. Let's draw an oval right here. All the way around and close it off. And let's do the same on this side. A little bit bigger on this side, just a little. Starting up here, we're gonna draw an oval down and around like this. Now inside that oval, let's close it off with a curved line like this for the pupil. And let's do the same on this side over here. Starting here, we go down and we close it off like this. Now let's draw some highlights inside the eyes with a small circle like there on top and another small circle up top inside the circle here. That looks great. Let's draw smaller circles too for more highlights here and here. Now let's color it in black. Those eyes look great. Okay, now to draw the mouth. It's a happy fish, so let's draw a smile line here like this. And little cheek lines on the end like that. And then back down like this with an open mouth line. And then another cheek line on the other side. Now the tongue line inside the mouth that curves like this, and let's color it in black. There's a fish. And fish are underwater, so let's draw some bubbles. How about we draw a circle here for one bubble with a little reflection line, and then a little bit bigger circle here, and another little highlight line, and then one more circle up here with another little highlight line. All right, that looks great. Wow, your drawing is looking great. Now, let's add some color to it. Grab your crayons, markers, or colored pencils, and let's color it in. I'm going to color my fish orange, but you can color your fish any color. Have fun! Don't forget the tongue. I'm going to make the bubbles blue. Remember to sign your name. I hope you had fun drawing with me today. And don't forget, there are no mistakes, just doodles. I'll see you in the next video.